Are you a farmer looking to revolutionize your agriculture business? Are you tired of spending countless hours answering the same inquiries from customers? Well, look no further. Introducing ChatGPT, the ultimate chatbot solution for farmers. In today's digital world, artificial intelligence and chatbots are changing the game for businesses across various industries. And agriculture is no exception. With ChatGPT, you can streamline your customer service, improve productivity, and boost operational efficiency. Let's explore how ChatGPT can revolutionize your agriculture business. First, let's talk about saving time. With ChatGPT, you no longer need a human agent to handle repetitive customer inquiries. Our chatbot is equipped with helpful answers to all the frequently asked questions your business receives. Say goodbye to repetitive tasks and hello to more productive time on your farm. But it doesn't stop there. ChatGPT can also help you engage potential new clients. Our bot building platform allows you to gather valuable information about prospects who interact with your bot. With this data, you can segment your potential customers and tailor your outreach efforts to be more targeted and effective. It's like having a personal assistant working for you 24/7. Communication is key in any business, and ChatGPT makes it easier than ever. Our chatbot uses natural language processing to understand user queries and provide accurate responses. Whether it's inquiries about your farm, your products, or any other information, ChatGPT has got you covered. So, what are you waiting for? Join the farming revolution with ChatGPT and take your agriculture business to new heights. ChatGPT, empowering farmers with artificial intelligence.